The next command is cd command. Cd command is a command which used to change the working directory in Linux. So to check the use of cd command, we need to open the terminal first and then check the current working directory using pwd command. When you use pwd command, it displays your current working directory. Now cd command is able to change the current working directory. So before know about cd command, we need to know the syntax of a cd command, that is dir name, cd space dir name. When you use it, it is a particular form to represent the cd command. Okay. Now, if you want to change the directory in the root directory from the home directory, then use cd command with the / and press enter. When you press enter, it just jump on the root directory from your home directory. So using / we can easily jump, or we can easily enter inside the root directory. And to enter in the home directory, we need to use cd command with the tilde operator and enter. And again, we check it by pwd command. Right now we are in uh, home directory. Again, use ls command to check the list uh, of content of your home directory. Now if you want to enter in your uh, desktop folder, here is your desktop folder, and if you want to enter into it, in that case you need to use cd command with the name of desktop folder. Sorry, this is the document folder, this is your desktop folder. Okay. When you use cd and then the name of the next folder which you want to enter, press enter. In that case, here you can see right now we are in desktop folder. We can check the desktop folder by the pwd command. Here we are in desktop folder. Here we can see this is the path which we want to enter. Okay, or the name of the directory where we want to enter. In that case, the path which locate the directory name uh, is completely incomplete. We just enter in the directory using the name of the folder only, instead of the entire path. मैंने इस फोल्डर में डायरेक्टली इंटर किया है, पूरे पाथ के बिना, पूरे पाथ को रिप्रेजेंट किए हुए बिना, और सिर्फ डायरेक्टरी के नाम से। तो एस जब हम किसी फोल्डर के नाम को सिर्फ और सिर्फ उसके नाम के थ्रू इंटर करते हैं, और हम जब पूरा पाथ नहीं देते हैं, सो दिस इज ऑल्सो ए काइंड ऑफ पाथ, ये भी एक तरह का पाथ होता है। ठीक है, और इस तरह के पाथ को हम लोग रिलेटिव पाथ कहते हैं। The path which just able to denote the current working directory only is your relative path. And when you define the path with each and every connected parent path also, or the directory also, if you define the path with the connected parent directory also, is known as absolute path. सो जनरली जब आप पूरे के पूरे पाथ को डिफाइन करते हो, तब इसे हम एब्सोल्यूट कहते हैं। और जब आप सिर्फ उस डायरेक्टरी के थ्रू ही उस पाथ को एक्टिव करते हो, तो हम उसे रिलेटिव कहते हैं। सो बेसिकली वी हैव टू टाइप्स ऑफ पाथ, रिलेटिव एंड एब्सोल्यूट. We can also enter or return back from the child directory to the parent directory using cd command with dot dot parameter. Here we can write cd command space then dot dot. Press enter. Now we can see the current directory by the pwd here. This is the home and then user directory, or you can say the parent directory of the desktop. Cd space dot dot is able to make your parent directory active instead of your child directory. This is the work of dot dot command. If you want to return back from the child directory to the grandparent directory, in that case we need to use a dot dot, then the / and then again dot dot. Let's check the command cd dot dot. then forward slash, then dot dot, and press enter. Now use pwd. See, this is the root directory, or you can say the parent directory, main parent directory, or the basic directory, जहाँ पे आपके सारे folders कनेक्टेड है. तो आप इस कमांड के थ्रू डायरेक्टली मेन रूट कमांड पर या रूट फोल्डर पे जंप कर सकते हो. नाउ अगेन, अगर आपको वापस से होम फोल्डर एक्टिव करना है, देन यू नीड टू यूज cd एंड देन टिल्ड ऑपरेटर. जब आप cd और टिल्ड ऑपरेटर करोगे, वी कैन चेक इट बाय द pwd. तो हम वापस से कहाँ आ गए? होम फोल्डर पे आ गए. नाउ using ls command we can check the list of all the content of your home folder. Now if you want to enter in the desktop again, then press write desktop using with the cd command, and right now we are in desktop. अब आप अगर कोई भी फोल्डर्स बनाओगे या कोई भी फाइल क्रिएट करोगे, तो वो कहाँ जाएगा? आपके डेस्कटॉप पे जाएगा. Now, suppose you want to make a folder active, which is inside the another folder of your desktop. So, for this, I'm going to create a folder in the desktop here. Create a new folder. Uh, just put the name A, and then create another folder here, and just put the name B. Okay, now in that time we have two folders, A and B, inside the desktop. Desktop is the parent folder, and A is the sub folder, and B is the child folder of the A. Now we need to go to the B folder, which is inside our A folder. So I want to go inside the B folder. So in this situation, I need to change the directory uh, from the desktop to using cd command, cd space a slash b, enter. Now we are in B folder. Now if you want to create any folder inside the B folder using mkdir, then the folder is created inside the B folder instead of uh, A. Now let's check the folder B here. So you can also enter inside the subfolder using the cd command directly. Now I'm going to change the name of folder A from the graphical interface. Just right click on it and then rename as uh, my space class. Here we observe that my class consists a space between uh, its name. So to display the folder by CD or by command line interface, in that case we need to use CD space my class. Or when you use the content and press enter, it returns some such kind of error. ये हमें इस तरह से error return करेगा, जो कि नाम यहाँ पर बिल्कुल same है. Now we can check it in the upper letter, my class. सेम एरर आ रहा है. तो प्रॉब्लम ये होती है कि ये व्हेन यू यूज cd कमांड, ये आपके स्पेस को रीड नहीं करता है. इन दैट सिचुएशन, जब किसी फोल्डर के साथ स्पेस यूज हो रहा हो, तो आपको इन्वर्टेड कॉमा यूज करना पड़ता है. वी नीड टू यूज द इन्वर्टेड कॉमा विद द नेम ऑफ आवर फोल्डर टू enter inside that folder. Okay, it again returns some error. We need to check the error first. We can also use it by cd, press M, and then okay, right now we are in B folder, that's why it returns some error. So just return back from your So just return back to the desktop by using cd and dot dot command. Also uh, cd space dot dot slash dot dot. When you use a dot dot, it returns from the B. When you again you use dot dot, it returns from the A, and then press enter. Right now we are in desktop. Okay. Now again we need to check the my class. When you press enter, see it again return the error. In that case, uh, what we will do, we just use the cd command with inverted comma, and it change the name of the directory with the my class. Okay, you can see here अभी हमारा directory क्या हो गया, my class हो गया. Now we exit from the my class directory using cd command. Again we can also use cd command m and capital M and my class. You can also write the folder name in this format. When you use this format, a backslash is put between them. A backslash is appear between them as a space indicator. Okay, so you can also define your folder name which have some space. कोई भी folder जिसमें कुछ space है, आप उसको इस तरीके से भी राइट डाउन कर सकते हो. एंड व्हेन यू पुट इंटर, ये वापस से कहाँ चला जाएगा, माई क्लास में. अगेन वी एग्जिट फ्रॉम द माई क्लास. ठीक है. एंड देन वी ऑल्सो यूज सिंगल इन्वर्टेड कॉमा. एंड व्हेन यू यूज सिंगल इन्वर्टेड कॉमा, सो वैसा फोल्डर जिसमें स्पेस होता है, जिसके नाम में स्पेस होता है, उसमें इंटर करने के लिए हम तीन डिफरेंट सिम्बॉल्स का यूज कर सकते हैं. सिंगल इन्वर्टेड कॉमा, डबल इन्वर्टेड कॉमा एंड बैकस्लैश. ये तीनों सिम्बॉल के थ्रू वी कैन इंटर इनसाइड दैट पर्टिकुलर directory. So now we make the screen clear. First we can say to navigate the in order to navigate the directories or folders, we need to put the absolute path or the relative path. Okay, this is the uh, video for the cd command only. Next video we will definitely learn for the next command, that is the cat command. uh, Thank you.